Hello kids, welcome to our farm. Today we are going to learn about different farm animals and their importance. Cow. Cow is a gentle animal. It gives us milk used for curd, butter and ghee. They are one of the valuable dairy animal. Bull. The bull is stronger and powerful. It helps in pulling lots, supporting traditional farming. Buffalo. Buffalo also gives thick, protein rich milk. They are strong animals that work well even in hot climates. Goat. Goat provides milk and meat. They can survive in dry region and are easy to rear for small farms. Sheep. Sheep gives wool used for making warm clothes. They usually live in groups and are common in hill area. Horse. Horse are fast and strong. They are used for riding, transport and farm work. Pig. Pig grows quickly and are raised mainly for meat. They eat leftovers, making farm cost effective. Camel. Camel are called the sheep of the desert. They need very little water and are used for travel in sandy region. Hen. Hen lays eggs, which is rich in protein. They are easy to raise and requires less space. Rooster. Rooster is the male chicken. It guards hens, helps in breeding, and is known for its loud morning crow. Duck. Duck are water birds. They give eggs, meat, and feathers and live well near ponds and fields. Goose. Goose are larger water bodies. They are kept for meat, feathers, and are good farm gods due to their loud calls. Turkey. Turkey are large birds raised mainly for meat. They have colorful feathers. Rabbit. Rabbit are small, soft animals raised for fur and sometimes meat. They reproduce quickly and need clean shelter. Dog. Dogs are loyal protectors. They guard animals and the farm, keeping predators and strangers away. Cat. Cats are playful and gentle. They help control rats and protect stored grains, staying close to humans. These animals are essential to farm life, providing food, work, and protection. Thank you for watching this video, kids. Bye.